In this session, we are going to understand about functionality of auto-generate field. Axpert will generate unique sequential numbers for auto-generated fields. An auto-generated number will have two parts: an alphabetical prefix followed by a unique sequential number. There can be more than one sequence for an auto-generated field. Each sequence is uniquely identified by the prefix. Use the define sequence property in the data section of an auto-generate field property to create one or more sequences. Consider a loan application form that has an auto-generate field named loan ID. The number generated in this field should be prefixed with LAPP followed by a unique number starting from 1. To achieve this, create an auto-generate field with one sequence with the given prefix. In the runtime, as user enters the data in a form, for every record, a unique sequential number will be generated and assigned as this field value. For every record, a unique sequential number will be generated as follows. At the runtime, depending on the type of the loan selected by the applicant, an auto-generate sequence has to be generated. In such case, the prefix column can be set with the field name. Only the fields in this t-stat can be used as the prefix field. The prefix field should be before the auto-generate field. At the runtime, the value in the prefix field will be used as a prefix. Consider a scenario where the prefix should be VAPP for vehicle loan applications, HAPP for home loan applications, etc. To achieve this, add a prefix field before the auto-generate field. The value in this field can be as follows. Create an auto-generate field. Assign the prefix field. Provide the starting number and number of digits. Depending on the value selected for loan type field, the prefix will be set. The selected loan type is VAPP. Hence, the auto-generated field will have a prefix called VAPP followed by the unique sequential number. Here, the number generated will be sequential across all the prefixes. To generate multiple sequences at runtime, use dynamic sequences. New sequences can be added at runtime. That means, while creating the form, there may be only one sequence. But using the value in the prefix field, new sequences can be created at runtime. Consider a scenario where an auto-generate field has the following rules. Every unique prefix should be considered as a unique sequence. To achieve this, the prefix value should be as follows. Specify the required format in the expression property. Here, colon operator represents the dynamic sequence which gets generated based on the loan type. In this case, loan type is a field in the t-stat. Create auto-generate field. In define sequence, Map the prefix field with the prefix format field. Depending on the type of the loan selected by the applicant, the auto-generated sequence is generated dynamically as follows. In the next session, we are going to understand about the functionality of a table field.